equation of a curve is y equals 4x squared minus 56, and it has one turning point, and you've got to show that the points are that. So, shall we working? So we'll start off by saying y equals 4x squared minus 56x. Then we will take the 4 out the front, because you can't thingamajig a square without getting rid of the coefficient of x. So divide through by 4, we get x squared minus 14x. And then you can actually complete the square now, so we'll go x minus 7 squared. But that means we get an extra 49, because it's, if we did that out, we get x squared minus 14x and then plus 49, so we take away 49. And that then means that we have x minus 7 squared and then times 49 by 4, which is basically 50 by 4 is 200, so that is minus, actually we can put 4 there, that is minus 196, so that means our y point is minus 196, and our x point is 7, because it's the opposite of there. That's the answer. Right, this looks fun. So we've got various things, 2x plus 3 over x minus 5, and x minus 4 over x plus 5 minus 3. And we know that x minus 5 times x plus 5, if we used FOIL, is just x times x squared, minus 5x plus 5x cancel each other out, and that's minus 25. So we're going to make everything over that, well, in those brackets. So it's x squared minus 25. And we know the top bit's going to be 2x plus 3 times, so if x minus 5 goes in, it's times by x plus 5. And then x minus 4 is times by x minus 5. And now if we just do a little x, 2x minus plus 3, x plus 5, that's 2x squared plus 3x plus 10x plus 15. So that's 2x squared plus 13x plus 15 there. And then plus, and that's x minus 4, x minus 5, so that's x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. So that is x squared minus 9x plus 20. And then I'll just put that over there, and then that's minus 3 at the end. I can see this getting in the way a bit. So now we are going to clean this bit up, and then we'll get rid of the 3. So that's 3x squared plus 13x, so that's plus 4x, and that's plus 35, all over x squared minus 25, and then minus 3x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 25. So that means you get, now 3x squared plus 4x plus 35 minus, and that's 3x squared minus 75. I'm just going to put those in brackets again, over x squared minus 25. So that means we get rid of those. We don't have any other coefficients of x, so it's 4x. And then plus 35 minus 75 is plus 30, is 35 plus 75, which is 110. So it's plus 110 for x squared minus 25, and that means that, hang on, I have no idea. So it's ax plus b, so a equals 4 and b equals 110. That is f of x. On the graph, sketch the graph. On the grid below, sketch the graph of y equals fx plus 2. Oh, on the grid above, sketch the graph of x. Okay, that just means move everything 2 spaces this way. So it goes through there. It goes somewhere up there. That would be there. And this would be there. So it would go, ooh. Would it go there? Where am I being? Yeah, it would go there. There. No, I've just done this wrong. So it goes there, there, and there. So that's got to be about there. Anyway, I did that very badly. Sorry about that. And then on this grid, graph A has been reflected to give graph B. I mean, that's about as clear as mud, isn't it? I suppose, I don't know. The equation of graph A is y equals gx. Write down the equation of graph B. Well, the thing is, I don't really know. I don't honestly know where that's going. Has that gone like... I think that literally went like that, and that literally went like that. So I think it's going through the x-axis. It's reflecting through x. So if it's reflecting through x, it would be y equals... if it reflects, so g minus gx? Hang on, that would mean that if that was half, that would be negative. No, it would be inside it, wouldn't it? So hang on. Let's just give, I can't see any bloody points on it. So if this is -1, we do that, then that would go to, that would stay the same. So -1 would flip to 1. So this one, if this is, it doesn't go out to 1. If this was at 1, we put that there. That would go to... I think it's -g. Anyway, I've just talked a lot.